Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax Venice, and this is one of our recent trades. This is a super clean, like new, Boston Whaler 27 Vantage. This particular one is a 2017 model. We just took it in on trade. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go over the boat, go over some of the options. This one has the big 250 Verados on the back, about 66 hours on the boat. As you can see, boat's in excellent condition. We do have the hard top right here, underwater lights. As you can see, this one also has the fish package, which gives you additional rod holders in the back, recirculating bait well. Let's just climb up here real quick. This one does have the freshwater system on it. Huge cockpit all the way around, tons of storage. This one also has your cockpit and bow cover. The owner put the real nice Garmin on this, the SCV. Once again, 64 hours in the motors. Digital throttle and shift. We do have a cover up here. This one's also equipped with your windlass, fresh water system. All of the soft goods are in great condition. It does have a fully enclosed head with dockside discharge and overboard discharge. Currently I have the canvas in here. But very clean boat. She's located at MarineMax in Venice. Recent trade, 2017 Boston Whaler 27 Vantage. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a call. The number here is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.